English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2, accidental, cause, deadline. Accidental. Accidental is an adjective. B2 learners usually know accidental. Accidental describes something that happens by chance. Here are some examples. The damage was accidental. They called it an accidental death. She had an accidental meeting with an old school friend. Cause. Cause is a verb and a noun. B2 learners usually know cause. At B2, to cause, verb, means to make something happen. The cause, noun, is the reason why. Here are some examples. The disease can cause many health problems. He causes problems wherever he goes. The cause of the problem is not clear. Deadline. Deadline is a noun. B2 learners usually know deadline. A deadline is a time and/or day by which something must be done. Here are some examples. The deadline to hand in your essay is 4 p.m. on Friday. I am not confident that I will make the deadline. The deadline of 12 noon passed without comment. Now, write some of your own sentences with accidental, cause and deadline. Download the free B2 handbook sample from englishfast.co.uk.